Hey guys, been gone a little while, back again. Haha, it's winter, so keep your hair covered, keep warm. I hope everybody's safe. But long ago, and I'm so delinquent with the videos, I had a lady who asked me, once she had infused the oil, what could she do with the leftover product? I explained that I do make sachets, whereas you take the flowers, herbs, twigs, whatever you've used to infuse the oil to make it into something else. These work really well in your bath. But one of the other things that I do, and we'll pan down sweets, is I have infused lavender oil in the past, and the buds are here, and you know what lavender buds look like. I go ahead and grind that up in my spice grinder, and I'm not going to get into that because I've already done some. And since it is already infused with the oil, let me find my spoon here. Let me move that out of the way. That way you end up kind of like with a mush. It's already got the oil in it, so you can use this to make bath products, facial scrubs, body scrubs. I mainly do body scrubs and facial oils with it, but you have your ground up lavender buds. And the reason that I grind it up is because I think it's easier to rinse out of your tub. I have taken a bath with the lavender buds and the bags have opened up or what have you, and they are everywhere. I mean, I am trying to get buds out. Sometimes it clogs the tub, but let's move forward. We're going to use Epsom salt, which is magnesium sulfate. What is it? Magnesium sulfate. And I usually about a 1 pound, 2 pound box. It just depends on how much you're making. Remember, this is always your recipe. Put that in. We're also going to put a cup of rice flour. I always do that to kind of help decrease some of the clumping. We're going to use a half a cup of baking soda. Just your plain baking soda. And this is optional. Magnesium sulfate and magnesium chloride, they're similar but different, but I also add a little bit of magnesium chloride flakes. Now these are a little bit more expensive, and the only way that I was able to get these was to order these. See, I love that sound. I don't know why, but I do. And I mix this all together, and we all know what mixing is like. Let me get a bigger spoon here. Mix it up real well, and you usually do not have to add any additional oil, because once you get it all mixed up very well, you have your product. You're ready to scrub your body. You can put it on your face too. You just have to be careful to make sure that you're not scrubbing too hard. Get it mixed up real well and put it in the jar. I'm going to show you a jar that I've already done. I've already done this with rose petals. When we did the rose petal series, where I did the rose infused oil, also did the cream, and also the rose petal astringent or rose water. So I ground up the rose petals, added the same exact ingredients. Instead of using the lavender buds, I used the rose petal. And see how the rice flour helps for it to not clump once you get it all mixed very well. Put it in your jar. Get in the tub, and you're ready to go. But just a quick, sweet, quick, easy additional way to use the products that you sometimes throw away or you don't know what to do with it. But this is just one extra idea. But see you guys soon. Bye-bye.